Deleting a workspace in Trello is a permanent action that removes all boards, members, and data within that workspace. Before proceeding, ensure you no longer need any information from that workspace, as this cannot be undone. Here's how to delete a workspace in Trello. Log into Trello. Open Trello.com and log into your account. Select the workspace. On the left sidebar, find the workspace you want to delete. Click on the workspace to open it. Access Workspace Settings. Once you're in the workspace, click on the workspace name at the top of the page to open the workspace menu. Select Workspace Settings from the drop-down. Find Delete Workspace option. In the Workspace Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option that says Delete Workspace. Click on this option. Confirm deletion. Trello will ask you to confirm the deletion. This is your last chance to reconsider, as deleting the workspace will also delete all boards, cards, and data associated with it. Click Delete Workspace to confirm.